Hey, what's up guys, Simran here, back again with another video, and in this video let's unbox the brand new phone from OnePlus, that is the OnePlus Nord. I recommend you to watch this video till the end and let's begin. All the OnePlus phones comes in a beautiful box of red and white color, but this time the phone comes in a grey color and I like it. On front of the box you will find the Nord branding. On the back you will find few of the specifications of the smartphone. The price of this phone is Rs 27,999. I bought it offline from a retail store because Amazon was taking 10 days to deliver this phone, so I had to cancel the order online. Also, you don't need an unboxing knife this time because the phone comes with a peeler attached. Let's quickly unbox the smartphone. The phone comes in a blue and grey color. I didn't like the blue variant, so I selected the grey color. Though the phone is mid-ranger, it gives you a premium feel in hand. It is just amazing. Let's keep the phone aside and see what else we get inside the box. We get the Nord stickers, some documentations, a SIM ejector pin, and a silicone case whose build quality is solid this time. And then USB Type-C cable and a 30T warp charger. Let's take a look at the physical overview of the phone. The phone comes with in-display fingerprint scanner, which is accurate. Also, it has face unlock feature, which is blazing fast. And it has Gorilla Glass 5 on front and at the back. To the right you will find an alert slider, which is followed by a power button. To the left you will find the volume rockers. To the bottom you will find speakers, a USB Type-C port, a microphone and a SIM slot. Sadly there is no headphone jack this time. To the top you will find a secondary microphone. The side of this phone is made of plastic, but it doesn't look like plastic when you hold it in hand. Let's take a look at the specifications. The phone comes in 6/8/12 GB of RAM, 64/128/256 GB of internal storage, and it comes with a massive battery of 4100 mAh. The phone comes with Snapdragon 765G processor, which is not as good as that of OnePlus 8, but it is the best processor in its price segment. OnePlus Nord have a total of 6 cameras on the phone, 4 on the rear side and 2 on the front side. To the rear side, we find a primary camera of 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture. Also, it has optical image stabilization. Then we have an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is followed by a 5 megapixel depth camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The phone has 6.44-inch AMOLED panel, which has a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The only drawback of using the screen on 90 Hz is that it drains the battery too fast, but at the same time it provides a good user experience. Coming to the software department, the phone comes with Oxygen OS 9.5 built on Android 10. The reason I love OnePlus phones is Oxygen OS. Oxygen OS provides utterly butterly user experience close to stock Android. I have been using OnePlus 7 Pro as my daily driver. Now I will be using OnePlus Nord for a few days, and I shall provide you more videos on the OnePlus Nord. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you have a budget of 30k and looking for the best mid-range smartphone, then go for the OnePlus Nord without giving a second thought. It is the best in its price. Also, OnePlus has promised for 2 years of Android updates on this phone. So this was the unboxing and the overview of the OnePlus Nord. That's it about this video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.